Hello students, today we are starting chapter number 3, shares and dividend. Before starting its problem, first we will discuss terms related to this chapter. So first term related to this chapter is a share. What is a share? See, to start any business or any company, a large sum of money is needed. But if an individual is not having that much amount, then some other person, those who are interested in this business, can join and form a company. They divide the estimated amount into small part, and this small part is known as share. So we can say share is one part from a finite number of equal part of a company. It is a small unit in which the capital of company is divided and sold to raise money. And what is a shareholder? Shareholder is the person who purchases one or more share from the company. Then next thing is the nominal value, which we can call as face value or printed value also. The original value of a share is called as nominal value. We can write in short N.V, F.V or P.V. It always remains same. It will not change. The next term is market value. By the time the company will grow or go in loss, then at that present time, whatever is the value of share in the market, we will call it as market value, and it will change time to time. Next, we have terms at par, at discount or at premium. If the market value and nominal value is same, then we will call share is at par. If the nominal value is more than market value, then we can say it is a discount or below par. And if market value is more than nominal value, then we will say it is at premium or above par. Next term is dividend, the profit which a shareholder get for his investment from the company. We will call it dividend, and it is always given on the nominal value. Then we have related formulas for this chapter. First formula is money invested. Money invested will be equal to number of shares into the market value. Whenever you are purchasing any share or you are selling any share, it will be considered according to the market value. Then the annual income. This is equal to number of shares into the rate of dividend which is given by the company and the face value. Then rate of return or the profit percentage, it will be annual income by the investment into 100%, or we can calculate from this formula also, income from one share by the market value of one share into 100%. Now we will start exercise 3. Question number 1. Find the dividend received on 60 shares of rupees 20 each if 9% dividend is declared. So first we will write whatever is given in the question. Number of shares is given 60. Then second thing is given 60 shares of 20 rupees each, means face value is given 20 rupees. And if 9% dividend, means dividend percentage is given 9%. You have to find out the dividend or the annual income. So dividend is equal to number of shares multiplied by dividend percentage into face value. Number of shares we have 60, dividend percentage is 9% or 9 by 100. Face value is 20 rupees. You can cancel out 0 to 0, another 0. 6 9s are 54 and 54 into 2, 108 rupee. Second question. A company declares 8% dividend to the shareholder if a man received 2,840 rupees as his dividend. Find the nominal value of his shares. So here we can take, let nominal values for his shares is equal to X rupees. Then he is getting 8% dividend. It means 8% of this nominal value. x is equal to 2840 rupees. So 8% means 8 by 100 into x 2840. X you can keep here and rest number you can shift another side. 100 will go for multiplication, 8 for division. You can cancel out 8 3 24, then 44, 8 5 and 8 5. So the value for x is coming 35,500 rupees. Next we have third question. A man buys 210 rupee share at 12 rupees 50 paise each. It means the number of share is 200. 10 rupee share means this is the face value of share. At 12 rupees 50 paise means market value is 12 rupees 50 paise. And receive a dividend of 8%. Find the amount invested by him and the dividend received by him. So first we will write whatever is given in the question. Number of shares is given 200. Then face value is given 10 rupees and market value is given 12 rupees 50 paise. Dividend percentage is given 8%. First thing we have to find out the amount invested. So money invested is equal to number of shares into market value. He has to purchase 200 shares at the rate of 12 rupees 50 paise. So 200 into 12 rupees 50 paise. You can multiply 2,500 rupees. Next you have to calculate dividend. Dividend is equal to number of shares multiply by dividend percentage multiply by face value. We have 200 shares, dividend percentage is 8 by 100 and face value is 10 rupees. So 2 into 8 16 and 10 160 rupees. Next we have fourth question. Find the market value of 5% 100 rupees share. It means 5% is given here dividend. Percentage 100 rupees its face value. When a person gets a dividend of 65 rupees. This 65 is the dividend in rupees. 5% is the dividend percentage. By investing 1430 rupees and total investment is 1430 rupees. So first we will write the terms whatever is given in the question. Dividend percentage is given 5%. Face value is given 100 rupees. Then dividend is given in rupees 65 rupees. Total investment is given 1430 rupees. Now first we will calculate the number of share and with the help of that we will find out the market value. So to find out the number of shares, first we will take let the number of shares is equal to x. So we know dividend is equal to number of shares multiply by dividend percentage multiply by face value. Dividend in rupees it is given 65 rupees. Number of shares I have taken x. Dividend percentage is 5%. So 5 by 100. Face value is 100 rupees. So this 100 you can cancel out and 5 you can shift this side. It will come for division. You can cancel out 13 times it will cancel. So x is 13. It means number of shares is here 13. Now we have to find out the market value. As we know market value is equal to investment upon number of shares. So therefore market value is equal to investment upon number of shares. Investment is 1430 rupees. Number of shares are 13. Cancel out 13, 1, 1 and 0. So 110 rupees is the market value for this share. Next question number 5. Salman buys 50 shares of face value 100 rupees, available at 130 rupees. It means market price is here 132 rupees. What is his investment? Second part, if the dividend is 7.5%, what will be his annual income? And if he want to increase his annual income by 150 rupees, how many extra shares should he buy? So first here it is given number of shares is 50. Then face value is given 100 rupees. Market value is given 132 rupees. And dividend percentage is given 7.5%. For first part we have to calculate investment. Investment is equal to, he has to purchase 50 shares at the rate of 132 rupees. Investment is equal to number of shares into market value. 50 shares at the rate of 132 rupees. So we are getting here 6,600 rupees. For the second part we have to find out his annual income or dividend. Annual income is equal to number of shares multiplied by dividend percentage multiplied by face value. He has to purchase 50 shares. Dividend percentage is given 7.5% into face value is 100 rupees. You can cancel out, and after multiplication we are getting 375 rupees. For the third part we have to calculate number of extra shares. So income and number of shares we can take. For 375 rupees income, he purchased 50 shares. Now for 150 rupees shares, suppose he is purchasing X shares, we can cross multiply. This is direct variation. So 375 into X is equal to 50 into 150. So X value will be 50 into 150 divided by 375. 510 and 575. 75 to 150. So 20 shares. So he has to purchase 20 extra shares. So in this video we are doing till here. Remaining questions we will continue in the next video. Thank you for watching this video.